Well, hello there, everyone. We have a beautiful summer day today. Today, I wanted to take you along with me. We're going to be trying some kielbasa burgers. Now, this is my first time trying this. I recently went to Rudy's Delicatessen. Rudy's has been known for making premium kielbasa, just so delicious. I recently went there. I bought some kielbasa, some of their pepperoni, and I got a new product they put out, kielbasa burgers. Like I say, I'm going to be trying this for the first time. I figure the best way to cook this is either in a frying pan or on a griddle to savor as much of that flavor as I can. Now, from what I understand, these burger patties are made from the kielbasa mix, only this mix contains all the spices and everything, and it's before they add the curing salt and use it for their kielbasa. They're making these patties. So I am anxious to try this, but during the cook, I also don't want to influence the kielbasa flavor with any of the toppings. So how I intend on cooking these today, I'm going to get a fire going here in the fire pit. We're going to put the grill on there, get the cast iron pan going. I'll take you through it step by step, show you what I'm doing. Once we kind of get our setup going, I'm also going to enjoy a nice beer from our recent vacation up to Fenelon Falls. So hope you follow along. I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, in the fire pit here, I got a nice charcoal bed underneath. Then I got some nice clean dry splits on top. Because we're cooking on this, it'll get us to that'll help give us a nice heat source a little bit quicker. Just gonna add an instant fire cup here. These are the best for fire starting or lighting your barbecue. All right, we got our fire going. While that's burning up here, we'll start prepping some of our ingredients. So like I said, I don't want to influence the flavor of this patty with anything, but I figure a red pepper and some onion will help complement the flavors and not overwhelm it. So what I'm going to do is cut up half a pepper, maybe half an onion. And we'll do half a pepper. So I'll cut my onion into longer strips. So I figured that'll be a little easier to put on the burger once it's done. Same as the red pepper. There we have it. Within a few minutes there, we got a nice fire going. We'll just let that burn up just a little bit more. There, now I'll install our grill grate on there. Slide that over the fire. Now we'll get our cast iron pan out, set that on there, get it warmed up. All right, now that our cast iron pan's been over the fire for a couple minutes here, gonna add some bacon grease just to get those onions and peppers going. Slide that back over the fire, keep things going. All right, bacon grease, nice rendered, coated the whole pan. Now we're gonna add our peppers and our onions. that back over the fire. Let that cook up. Then while that's cooking away there, we're gonna get our buns toasted. Slightly pull that Girl Grate out. There's one. And that should be good for two. Give our peppers a bit of a stir here. Just want to soften up those onions. Get those peppers going. They're just going to add a nice flavor as well. Get that back over the heat. Probably another minute or two on those. Okay. Kind of got these peppers and onions where I got them, where I want them. Let's take them off the grill. Ooh, that pan's hot. Okay, now I want to get the kielbasa burgers going. Now they come individually wrapped in this parchment paper. So I'm going to take all the paper off so I can put all 4 burgers going fairly at the same time. There, I got all the patties unwrapped. Let's put them in the pan. Hopefully they'll shrink up a little bit, I'm thinking. You can see all the grease rendering to the one side. What I'm going to do is just rotate the patties around before I flip them. Something like that. There, now we'll give the patties its first flip. Just see all that rendering to come off of those. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Nice beautiful sear on those. Oh, the smells on here is just amazing. Let's get those back over the fire and finish them up. All right, let's get ready to build these burgers here. Get the bottom sides of the buns here. Look at that. Now my intention was to do 2 thin patties, one on top of one another. But these kind of plumped up here a little bit, so we're going to stack them like that. We're going to add our peppers and onions. Let's try to get a nice photo of these. All right, here we have it. Kielbasa burgers, cooked over the open fire here. I am anxious to bite into this. But once again, we're going to enjoy a nice beer from Fenelon Falls Brewing. We were recently at Fenelon Falls Brewing. Here's a shot of their dining room, overlooking the lock system. Just had a great lunch and a couple nice beers. This is a nice reminder of our vacation when we were there. Now I got a couple different ones to sample here. This one's a mango pale ale. This one's a Vienna lager. Now I've just been standing over that fire for a little bit, cooking these up, so just take a quick sip of beer here. And now, keeping with the theme where I want to really taste the flavor of these patties, I'm going to go with the Vienna lager. Nice darker pour. Oh, nice cold, slightly sweet lager. A little bit of bitterness toward the end. So refreshing after standing over the fire there for a little bit. Let's bite into this burger here. Now I took the interior temperature of the burgers up to about 150 before I pulled them out of the pan. So the patties did shrink up quite a bit, but that's because they're filled with goodness. Oh, that's different. It tastes like a spicy pork. Kind of a peppery garlic. Let's take another bite here. They're so juicy as well. A little saltiness, garlickiness. Gives me a slight reminder of a breakfast sausage. This is so juicy. Okay, I was worried about overwhelming the flavor of the toppings so that I don't taste the patty as much, but this patty is packed with flavor. The next time I do this, I'm going to add some mayo and lettuce. This is so delicious. Big shout out to Rudy's Delicatessen. Delicious patty here. Well, I wasn't sure how this was going to go. Great success, packed full of flavor. Great day to sit back, try something new, enjoy a nice beer. Matter of fact, let's top up that glass. For those of you that watch this channel, you know what that means. Yeah! Well, if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming. Consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, give me that thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.